I got an analyzer!
Oh good, we need those. I think we got enough refinery cores now. Oh shit.
Okay, bail out the back! Bail out the back!
No, left is the safe side. Oh my god, they got so much air support.